Because this terrain is getting pretty crazy, and I don't have the experience to ride up these rocks. Hell no. I don't know if you can see what I'm talking about. A lot of huge rocks here, and I made it about halfway up, and the tires just slip on the rocks. The rocks move to get out of the way. It's a very tall bike. Barely, I'm 6 foot tall. Barely touch the floor. I'm on my tippy toes, both feet. So the minute there's a change in level in the floor, on the ground, then good thing I dropped the bike. Then yeah, I can drop the bike. Look at this. I don't think I would have made it through here. Wow. What an adventure though. Stay tuned for the fall. The waterfall, not my fall. Bam! Boom! Oh, beautiful. So, carrying this helmet, normally from the main parking, it's about a 4 kilometer walk. I imagine I must have done 1.5, 2 on the bike, not more. Walking the rest. I don't know if you can tell, but it's pretty much up and downhill the whole way. Is it hot? Yeah, it's hot as hell. Shit. But it's fun. I wish I didn't have to carry the helmet, but then again, on the way back, I'll be happy to have the bike. 2 kilometers are in. 2 kilometers in. So stay tuned. Near the river. I don't think I'm very close. I don't think I'm very far. And again, who knows? So stay tuned. Pura Vida. So hot. It's very steep. Very steep. Very hot. ¿qué tal? Pura Vida. So, 2 waterfalls. Let's go to the highest one first because why not? I hear monkeys screaming. So cool. Here we go. Waterfall number 1. I will cut and edit this walk later on, but for now, it's important that I film it because I'm enjoying it and I want you guys to enjoy it too. And for you solo travelers, traveling solo is fun. You meet tons of people, you do activities with people. Some people you like, some people you don't. The ones you like, you see them again. The ones you don't, you had a great day with them anyways, hopefully. Try to make it a little bit closer. I'm gonna need some help. Would you help me up? Wow. Woo. Fun fact about a place like this is they have washrooms. They have washrooms and changing rooms. So very, very handy. One more thing, remember you're in Central America. There are snakes, there are spiders, there are venomous frogs, there are scorpions. You're in the middle of their habitat, you're in the jungle. So before you walk into a place like this, like it's your personal home and you're just going to change, remember, you walk in with your eyes. Don't run in there. There's no roof, you know, bugs can get in here. You walk in, you look carefully, and then you close the door and do what you gotta do. Saying this, I've been here for 2 months this time, and I haven't seen, I've never seen a snake. I've been here 3 times. I haven't seen a snake. I've seen one frog, non-venomous, very small frog. I haven't seen any scorpions. I haven't seen any, I saw 1 or 2 spiders, but they were in the bush, like, you can't, I was walking really in the jungle, in the forest and not on a path. They'll never be in a path. People walk all the time. So that's the fun fact. Remember, when you go into a place, always look before going in. Chances are there's nothing, but gotta be safe and sorry. And here we, oh, I'm so happy to see you. Oh, yes, please. All right, let's go home.